Good morning. We are out on a new property today, and one of the things we're going to do on this property is actually go ahead and chop up this tree and leave it where it's at. This is the tree limb. So we're going to cut it up in the smallest pieces as we can, and the customer just wants us to leave them in a pile over here on the grass. So that's what we're going to do. They're already starting to cut. But this is a new property for us, but this is actually an abandoned house. They're just trying to get it ready to sell on the market, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping this up, and I'm gonna put y'all on the on my chest and let y'all see me as I start chopping this up. But we actually have this property, and right down the street we have another one from the same owner, so we're going to go ahead and cut that one too. It's a farmhouse they're trying to get ready to sell too, so we're going to go ahead and finish this job up, cut this limb up, head over there and take care of that property. It's got some tree limbs and stuff that are all around on the yard, so we're going to go ahead and pick those up before we start mowing. But this is the start of our day, and right now we're in Crawfordsville. So once we get done here and get done at the next property, we're going to head off and check out some of our customers and see if their yards need to be cut. The customers that we have that have weeds in their yard, not grass. The grass is still in dormancy here, so that's what we'll be doing. So just let me go ahead and put you on the chest harness, and we'll start chopping. We'll get busy.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
All right, guys, we're done. We went ahead and cut this yard up. We didn't blow it off, and I went ahead and finished this tree limb up. All the customer wanted was for it to be cut up. Cut it and leave it where it's at. So that's all we did. That's what the customer wanted. That's what he wants. That's what he gets. So everything's cut up just like he wanted. So now all he has to do is I guess he's going to be coming back over here to load this up. I don't know. Like I said, I think they're trying to get this ready to sell. So But now we're going to the next yard, so we'll see you over there. Hey y'all, we're at the other house that was down the street from the other one. If you remember, we were down across the street, not that far away, and now we're over here at this old farmhouse, and we're taking care of it. We've already picked up a ton of limbs. I guess it's just an abandoned old farmhouse, but it had a lot of limbs hanging around, so we picked them up. Now we're mowing. We've already edged it up. Just an old farm. But we're gonna go ahead and finish this one. I think we got some a couple more in town that are weed yards that need to be cut because it's springtime. Everything else still here in town is if it's grass, it's still in dormancy. So everything we've been cutting is pretty much weeds. But we're gonna go ahead and take care of this. It shouldn't take us long. It's not that much to weed eat around. But we're gonna go ahead and finish it up and go ahead into town and see what we got left. Y'all just hang around, stay tuned.